Hello and welcome everybody. So in today's video I will make a review for a keyboard which would be great for content creation. It's portable, it's smaller, but how does it feel when you type? Well, of course, being a mechanical keyboard, it has a great tactile feeling without the loud clicks. Why? It has the tactile quiet switches, which means that this keyboard, it would be a bit louder than the membrane keyboards, but not as loud as some other tactile switches which are more pronounced, more clickety-clack. So this is a win for me. Is it heavy? It is a bit heavier than other smaller keyboards because it has an aluminum plate and quite a good plastic. For me personally, I would rather have a good quality plastic than a bad quality metal. And it's Logi. You may wonder why I'm saying that this is the best keyboard for creative people. Well, the thing is, this has a lot of hotkeys to remap. You can also have smart actions. For example, you program a button to copy the text that you selected, open a browser tab, paste the text that it already copied in whatever website. Let's say, for example, we copy the text to Gemini or ChatGPT, and you can also saying, hey, translate this text or explain me this concept or whatever you want to do with it. I've never encountered this feature on any other keyboards. This is quite unique to Logi. Also, you can program all the 15 hotkeys for specific programs like DaVinci Resolve that I use or Lightroom. You can set the auto correction, tone correction, or auto white balance, or whatever the combination of buttons you want or need. So when it goes to customizability, this keyboard is awesome. Plus one for that. Now let's see the connectivity. It can connect simultaneously to 3 devices and you can switch between them. I got it connected to my phone, my laptop, and my smart TV, and I can switch between them whenever I want. It can also copy and paste from one device to another. For example, you can copy from the phone using Ctrl-C and paste it on the laptop with Ctrl-V. Battery life. You got 10 months without backlighting and just 15 days with full brightness backlight. Which is fine, I don't use it on the highest brightness. I just need to see the letters, so it's fine on the first level. It also uses USB-C. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the backlighting is smart, so it adapts to your environment and changes depending on where you are or how much light do you have in your room. You can also use it on multiple OSs like Windows, Androids, Macs, iOS, and I think it works on Linux as well. But don't get my word for it. It doesn't specify if it's working on Linux or not. So there are so many pros to this keyboard. What are the cons? Well, the cons are as follows. 1, it's pricey. It's $150. It's on the pricier side like all the Logi premium products. It has no RGB lighting. It's not really a con for me. I like the basic white lighting, but maybe you prefer RGB lighting, so you should know that this one doesn't have. Also, the tactile sound. Even though I haven't said it is loud, disadvantage might be the fact that it's not as silent as a keyboard which uses membrane, because this is mechanical. So, but it's not something you can't live without. It's okay even for YouTube studio recordings and stuff. Now let me show how you write on it and get the feel of the clickiness. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the different lighting presets. Another con would be the fact that the illumination stops after a couple of seconds, so you're left in the blind. you need to put your hands over the keyboard so it will start illuminating. I would rather have this option on the Logi Options Plus app, but it's not there and I cannot control this. It will deactivate itself after a couple of seconds, 10 seconds or so, with no options to control it, but that's for battery efficiency. What is this keyboard built for? Content creation. The fact that it has 15 hotkeys which you can customize as you wish with smart actions and all those shenanigans, it is very pleasant to the feel. It can be used in an office as well. Since it is on the silent side, it's okay to work with. Now, I want to know your opinion about this keyboard. Is it the right fit for you and your desktop setup? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Andrew. Remember to hit that like button or subscribe if you like my content, what you see, what I do here on my channel, and we'll meet again in the next video. Peace.